it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're at 450 with no attachment. Yeah. 450 with no attachment. Let's jump in one and hear where the G officer, man. Let's go, man. Alright. So straight off the bat, we see Jerry right here, so. Dressed up in black and white. Alright, let's go. Let's see what. Make up yourself, Jerry. Let's see what going on, so.
The Lord said, since this man has become like one of us,
Jerry, a pastor.
knowing good and evil, he must be reached out to take form like the tree of life and eat the love and goodness of the earth. Do you and it take this man to be your lawful husband in sick and death forever?
Yeah, the ramp with Jerry, you know, him play one good pastor, you know. Do you and it take this man? Yo, the ramp with Jerry, you know. Big up yourself, Jerry. Production team, big up.
Do you
And it
take this man to be your lawful husband in sick and death forever?
Girl, it's every day.
What
Fuck a boy, girl, on a Wednesday. Friend down to uptown and from a place.
Alright, slut. Are the best. No, ladies, why would you do this? I don't know why go on it, you know. I swear to God, I don't watch a video yet. But why would you do this? She up there, so I say our wedding vows. And you as a bridesmaid, I go answer her phone. She say a 450 a call, which probably I go be the side man. I don't know yet. You see say a him a call and you go answer the phone and bring a girl. You're a wicked girl. You see your face? You see your face? You're wicked. Yo.
Fuck a boy, girl, on a Wednesday. Friend down to uptown and from a place. Every girl of mine. DHW.
Dino, big up yourself. Dino know what go on now.
Every girl of mine.
Dino know what go on.
DHW.
Fuck crack go on, Dino. Hey, mama, where you go?
Wanna tell me a hoe. Say them a girl listen me, man got toe. Bad bitch up in my shit, I style blows. She know me see me like.
She hot. And she alone, make me go pull up the video so far. Mama hot with the lolly in her mouth.
Man has become like one of us.
Mama
knowing
hot.
good and evil. He must be reached out to take form like the tree of life and eat the love and goodness of the earth. Do you
And it
take this man to be your lawful husband in sick and death forever?
Girl, it's every day.
Not 2450 a call, mama.
Friend down to uptown.
Ladies, I'm sorry for pass again. Ladies, so you don't really have your good man and get married to a say vows, spend how much money on this. You're a big day. And a side man called and you run gone. I say you love wood.
From a place, every girl of mine.
Comment section, ladies, talk to me, man.
DHW.
And it look good to you now.
Wanna tell me a hoe. Say them a girl listen me, man got toe.
Like you.
Bad bitch up in my shit, I style blows. Dog should know me see me like juice. I haze you one tone. Tell me a hoe. I'm out to now yours. I'm me a fuck on them bitch, man got proof.
I'm out in our yours. I mean, I fucking a bitch. Me have proof. Me have proof of that, brother. Yeah.
Me a hoe. Say them a girl listen me, man got toe. Bad bitch up in my shit, I style blows. Dog should know me see me like juice. I haze you one tone. Tell me a hoe. I'm out to now yours. I'm me a fuck on them bitch, me have proof. That's my data gone in that cool. On the night show to know some my lifestyle, man. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy.
I wouldn't even like this. So him a the marriage counselor. Look like him a some sort of therapist or something. Him a something. Cause mama there so sit down and then the bride just run in and just take her up.
Show to know some my lifestyle, man.
Sorry. When I'm reacting to 450 videos or songs, the videos always just distract me from the lyrics, you know. Because there's so much happening in the videos. And I like it.
That's my data gone in like cool. On the night show to no know some lifestyle mad. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door responds. From she pretty the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much man I'm do if more some lifestyle mad. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door responds. From she pretty the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much man I'm do one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes, if I fuck me, will give you anything except proposal.
That's that blood clot. That should I ring them G. If you fuck, we give anything except proposal. So, once again, ladies, this question is for you in the comment section. Yeah, you're good man, I get married. You know, depending on a big day, on the beach, you know, paradise wedding, romantic day. And your side man called your lady. And you just run off, left your so-called, your husband to be, and gone at the side man. Now the side man I tell you, say, yo, the only thing, well, we get everything apart from proposal. Ladies, what would you guys do? Yeah or nay? Talk to me in the comment section, man.
Thousand stubborn, so much man I'm doing one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes, if I fuck me, will give you anything except proposal. On the car name tell me, oh, say them a girl is to me, man got toe. Bad bitch up in my shit, I start blues. That shit don't me see me like soap, I easy one toe. No tell me, oh, I'm out to now use. I'm here fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my data gone in like cool. On the night shoot, like, na chat boy to girl, me no do gossip. Nah, say she want ride pan the killer tip. My fuck girl we tight like she live a gym. I'm fuck big old girl when I have grip a grip. Anyway, another day I'm back at it.
I'm a check location to blood. Yo, I'm not here before we just said the video I'm watching a dog. Yo!
No, say she want ride pan the killer tip. My fuck girl we tight like she live a gym. I'm fuck big old girl when I have grip a grip. Anyway, another day I'm back at it. Girl magnet and every girl metallic. Anyway, I'm go for boy girl you know I be my quick. So we been I live when no tell me oh. Say them a girl is to me, man got toe. Bad bitch up in my shit, I start blues. That shit don't me see me like soap, I easy one toe. No tell me oh.
Last track it, Tessa.
I'm out to now use. I'm here fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my data gone in like cool. On the night show to no know some lifestyle mad. Man gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door responds. I'm she pretty dick.
So the boss fuck it already and gone back to him regular duties of being a counselor. Oh God, man, them girl bad out here, them wicked, them bad, them cross, hungry, miserable, and the man about to kill her. Yo!
And 1,000 girl, now boy girl no see if my door responds. I'm she pretty the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much man I'm doing one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes, if I fuck me, will give you anything except proposal. On the car name tell me oh. Say them a girl is to me, man got toe. Bad bitch up in my shit, I start blues. Dog shit don't me see me like juice. I easy one toe, no tell me oh. I'm out to now use. I'm here fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my data gone in like cool. On the night show to fucking them bitch, man got proof. That's my data gone in like
Trojan workout. Trojan workout. Bumbo clot. But step on your giant.
I'm here fucking them bitch, man got.
That one man can fool, sir. You can fool. Yo, me attack. Yo. Brother, make your beard give some knowledge. Make your beard, your big beard where you have give some knowledge. You fool, sir. Girl can run off left me on beach. On my wedding day. And me track phone and got and boy me ganga. You mad? I'm gonna sit down there, sir. Fucking fool like. Big and fool from your guys school, brother. Me no acting, big up yourself still, nothing personal, but your character fool, bro. Your character fool, dog.
Oh, I'm out to now use. I'm here fucking them bitch, man got proof.
Gotcha. You see that girl I run head. I need to run her head.
Gone in like cool. On the night show to know some lifestyle mad.
Yeah, boy, she's sorry. Sorry, can't buy soldier and Larry. Go suck yourself. Hey.
On the night show to no know some my lifestyle mad. I'm gone more than 1,000 girl. Now boy girl no see if my door respond. From she pretty the kitty get 1,000 stab. So much man I'm a door one.
Watch
Now
out.
attach me.
Watch out, man. I got Granny got told. I never see sitting there. 450. You video them, you video them catching, brother. Like, there's so much to learn from these videos. Guys, there's so much lessons to learn from 450 videos. Make sure someone take lessons, dog.
Kitty get 1,000 stab. So much man I'm a door one. No attachments, no emotions. Babes, if
Weak.
I fuck
You're weak to fat crotches, youth. You're weak to Annette. You're weak to fat crotches. Yes. You're weak to pussy, dog.
one.
Yeah, hug up.
No attachments, no emotions. Babes, if I fuck me, we'll give you anything except.
Watch our eyes, them. See them zoom in on our eyes. Watch our eyes, them. Children of 450 social look.
Proposal. On a car name, tell me, oh.
Can't believe it.
Yeah, Jerry.
Took off. The bird gone. It's a selection. You have to go party.
Yeah.
Fly away.
Yeah, carry the food waste.
Sail away.
Yo, Jerry, I started this blood clot, yeah. Jerry, big up yourself. Bella, respect to make Jerry get them record, dog. Like, big up yourself, Bella. I see. Jerry, I started this pussy clot, yeah, man. Just party and just drink and just eat blood clot food. You see me? Yeah, cause that groom there, idiot. That groom not grooming. Annette. Boy, I don't know what to say about Annette. Because I say 450, you take away Annette from idiot and big beard. But yo, Jerry, I start yeah, man.
Do anything except proposal. On a car name, tell me,
Oh.
Can't believe it.
Can't believe.
The bird took off. The bird gone.
Yeah.
It's a selection.
Yeah.
You have to go party.
Yeah.
She fly away.
Fly away like a bird. Sail away. Yo, Jerry, I best yeah, man. Jerry, I blood clot best yeah, man. Yo, let me know what you guys think about that one here, man. A 450 video them. I know say 450 video them all is a shot, dog. 450. Big up yourself, bro. You're very talented, bro. More request something from me, though, my G. You drop one video up in this area. Can't remember when. With Valdo Night. I forgot what the song name. We drop part 1. We want to part 2, brother, because at the end it say to be continue. You know. When time Ricky flying from foreign and rare and blah blah blah. I don't know the video me attack. What go on? Me I go pin the video at the end. Other reaction here. So you can go check it out. Cold word in name. Or cold street. One of them. Cold word or cold street. Want to part 2. We need part 2 because we see the GI open up, so we want to know what the next move with that. We just want to know. We just want to know. You see me? But yeah, big up on yourself still. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, what you guys would do if you was in that situation. You see me? Jerry, big up yourself again. Yeah, big up yourself, Jerry. Yeah, sorry for that one. Yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip on earth.